avocado.
Bakit
Titikim kami ng
ice tea?
Yung person.
Double yearbook. Oh, saba.
No worries on my mind. Just leave stress behind. Palm trees in the line. Vacation time.
Tita Joy!
I feel it so fine. Living in the moment. Sipping on sunshine.
The balling person.
Music in the air. Laughter everywhere. Dancing without a care, soaking up the flare. Midnight bonfire light, stars are shining bright. Everything feels right in this paradise night. Vacation time, I'm feeling so fine. Living in the moment, sipping on sunshine.
Ang hirap mabuhay.
Dito din.
Busy na pa dito.
Music in the air, laughter everywhere. Dancing without a care, soaking up the flare. Midnight bonfire light, stars are shining bright.
Riding a shuttle from the airplane. That's our
Vacation time, I'm feeling so fine. Living in the moment, sipping on sunshine.
Katusuru! Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. We are here in Bali, Indonesia. This is our day 1. Because yesterday was day 0. Well, right now, nandito kami sa local market. Dito sa mga grocery dito sa Bali.
Nakakita ka na ba ng kulit lumpia?
Boss.
Ayan o! Kulit! Kulit! Tenenenen! Tenenenen!
Ayoko ng bulaklak, May. Sige, hati-hati na nga. Ito na taste test.
Oh, saan na yan, bo?
Beer nga, beer.
Ayan.
Ano, dagdagan pa natin 3 pa?
Boss, ito palang nabibili natin 300,000 na. Grabe.
Wala na.
Nako, wala na, Tito Neil. Day 1 done.
Okay.
Okay. Go, go, go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So we are now walking para mag-brunch dito sa Southern Beach. Come and go from. But you know what's it?
Say hi. Yes, mambabakal.
Bumakal lang, pero natapahan yan. Ano naman yan, 90 pesos? Paano ba yun?
What are we going to order? Ang orderin natin dito. Menu Nasi campur. Drinks, I like this smoothie last. What fruit? What fruit is the best?
For me,
Yes. Mango? Okay. Let's
smoothie?
Yeah, mango smoothie. Last. Yung mangga po dito matamis.
Oo, pero mas matamis yung sa akin. Kasi dito 5 euros.
Maganda yun.
You copy me You copy my order
Hari tayo, princess, ha? Sabi ka, isa lang pala.
Ano yan, Mike?
Traditional malinis talaga.
Tutu ayam. How about you?
Malinis.
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Food dump.
Is tempe.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Hey, where are you now?
I don't know what is this.
Right now, we are here in Tanner Beach. Oh, the water is so clean.
You can try if you want.
I'll have cheesecake and yogurt. Thank you.
Then saya satu mixed berry. Mixed berry.
Oh my God, baka meron na sa babawa. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
I have the yogurt. Yogurt berry. Salted caramel.
Thank kami ni Maymay.
Mixed berry.
Nakakapagod maglakad sa baso. Pero worth it na pagod kasi hindi mo na mauulit. I mean, pwede
Mauulit
ulit
pa.
Pero hindi ngayon agad.
This cost
30,000.
30,000 rupiah, which is equivalent to 150. Pwede na.
Pwede naman.
Sarap guys. Señorito. Sa Butterfly. Gelato.
Italy Bali. Yan ang Italy kasi yung Bali. Hindi naman aware si Tito yun.
Oh my God. Hello guys. Hello. Yan o. Monster. Anong masasabi niyo sa mga monster? Cute. Ay, say, naliwanag. Say hi guys.
Welcome to Sarin.
Okay, negative effect in our house. To spread it out. satu.
Yan na.
Ikaw? Work?
At,
Ako, di ba ako?
Ayan, ikaw naman. Oo, ikaw.
oily na yung face ko. Di.